Hello everybody, we are now in Tasiilaq in East Greenland, and Tasiilaq is the biggest town we have in East Greenland. The population here is about 2,000 inhabitants, but in the whole East Greenland we have only about 3,000 inhabitants. So it's very remote, everything here, and beautiful, few people, and we are gonna explore the town. So let's go. Today we have about 7 degrees Celsius and it's 10 in the morning. It has been changing from fog to sun every few minutes. Now it's a little bit foggy and misty outside. Just 5 minutes ago we had sun. We have a Sunday morning, so it's very calm outside. Not many people around. Some children playing there in shorts and t-shirts. 7 degrees is summer for them, so they don't mind. It was Saturday yesterday. It looks like things got out of hand. A blood and broken bottle. Somebody must have been fighting. Drops, blood drops. Yeah. And there's our ship, the MS Sea Venture, that has been sailing with us on board in West and now East Greenland. To get here to Tasiilaq is possible by flying from Iceland. And they actually fly to a neighboring town called Kulusuk. And then you can take a boat from Kulusuk to Tasiilaq and visit this town. But I have never been to Kulusuk. That is definitely on my bucket list. I think we are solving a criminal case. We've been following the blood drops and they lead to the hospital, which is very good. And here we have the primary school in town, quite a big one. We are starting to see some people walking around, so the town is waking up. Very nice view with a lot of common cotton grass growing here in the marshlands. Children's playground here. Here we have the plaza in town. We are 763 kilometers from home, so not very far away. They have a very nice workshop here where they make the famous Tupilaks, and we are gonna check it out. I bought one the last time I was here, and maybe I will buy another one now. Let's see what they have. Here is the workshop. Let's check inside. Some nice Tupilaks. Here is their workshop. We want to buy this one here.
Okay.
600?
Yeah.
Thank you. We bought this Tupilak. I'm so happy with it. It's so beautiful. Look at this. And I think it's also important when you're visiting settlements like this to support the locals a little bit. So we bought this one for 600 Danish kroners, which is maybe, I don't know, $90 or something. So I think it's a very fair price. Imagine how long time it takes to carve this out. Now they're gonna have in a few minutes dog feeding of these sled dogs, and we're gonna check that out. You can see the seal. This is their food.
Puppy. Personally, I've been riding with both of them because I lived in Tasiilaq for 2.5 years. I had my own dog sleds over there as well. I personally like.
Now the sled dogs have been fed, and we're gonna walk a little bit into the valley where the dogs are. They need to be tied up when they're 6 months old. So this one hasn't reached that age yet. So he can roam freely around. And this one is definitely older than 6 months old. So he's gotten himself loose. Doesn't seem to be aggressive. So I'm not too worried. Whenever I see the sled dog puppies, I cuddle with them a lot. It helps a little bit because I miss my dogs in Iceland so much. So I just need to pet them. Makes me feel better. And here straight ahead, this one is the new church in town. Amazing view. And next on the schedule is drum dance and choir singing here next to the old church. We are a little bit late, so we need to walk fast. So we've seen a lot today, and I think it's time to end this video blog right now. I hope you liked watching. Please remember to subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video very soon.